Hey y'all, it's Denny and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another vlog. It is Sunday, not January, February 5th, I think. Me and Jalen are out and about. I started vlogging yesterday. What was yesterday? Saturday? Yeah, I started vlogging yesterday, but I didn't finish it. My mom ended up coming down to see us, so she was here today and yesterday. So she came to like see us or whatever, so we spent time with them, and I did not vlog and stuff because I was tad. But me and Jalen are over here at Michael's. We have a couple of stores we need to hit: Michael's, Bye Bye Baby, and Pop Shelf. Y'all know, if y'all been watching my last couple of vlogs, we always doing something for the baby. Like, I have 11 weeks now, so it's crunch time, and I'm trying to get all the projects and stuff done now because I know that I'm gonna be, it is hot, it's cold but it's hot, I'm gonna be like a little tired after the fact. This is too much. I'm gonna be tired soon. Not gonna want to do it, but we're going to Michael's first because we're trying to get some letters to spell out his name and to put in his room. So we have like some ideas. Jalen tried to tell me his ideas, but he is not the most creative person, but he trying to explain to me what his vision. So I was trying to like decipher what he was talking about, and we got confused. We still don't know what we want to do, but like I said, his room is safari themed. So Jalen had an idea of like doing like the letters and like the different patterns of like the animals and stuff, and then I had the idea of like painting the letters one color and then putting the animal, like the different safari animals, on the letters. But I don't know what we're gonna end up doing. I think I'm gonna make a separate video of me actually doing it. Like I said in previous videos, I love DIY. So yes, that's where now we're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna try to vlog in here, and hopefully we find everything we need, maybe. So yeah, we'll see y'all in a few minutes. All right, y'all, so we're in Michael's, and we pretty much got everything we needed, I think. So we got the letters. All y'all know is the name start with a J, so we'll start with a J. And then we got some paint, and I got some cardstock for another project I'm doing, and I got some Cricut stuff for another project I'm doing, and then this is fire books. So we're gonna see if this stuff works. Y'all, we spending so much for these products, but it's something that we really want to do, and I'm gonna do it. Throat. But yeah, we're ready to head to the checkout. Do we need anything else?
No.
Not at all.
Nah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Was anything else we planned to do?
Nah,
it was just the letters, right?
The letters, and then the stickers for the letters.
Yes, okay.
So you got the cardstock for the things.
For the menu thing, yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna check out, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey, y'all, so we're out of Michael's now, and we're going down to Bye Bye Baby because I can't come over here without going. It's right next door, and then we're going to this store called Pop Shelf. I love it so much. But y'all, I got so hot up in there. I had to take my jacket off, y'all. I be so hot all the time. We're gonna go in here just to look. Nothing. We're not really looking for anything to buy, but just to look. So yeah, we'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all. So we have left that area with Michael's and Bye Bye Baby. We didn't get nothing at Bye Bye Baby or Pop Shelf. We was literally in Pop Shelf for like a minute and a half because it was like really hot in there, and I was already hot to begin with, and it was like really hot, and I couldn't stand it. I had to go. And then yeah, I just left. I was hot, y'all. I'm tired. I keep forgetting like that I'm pregnant, and that I'm like third trimester pregnant, like almost at the end type of pregnant. So when I be doing stuff, I always get shocked that I be so tired for some reason. I don't know. But we're at McDonald's now. I needed a little snack. We gotta go grocery shopping, and I got me a little kids meal, y'all. I love me a good kids meal. Oh, go eat me a good kids meal. $5.98. my phone at? But yeah, we're gonna get this and we're gonna go grocery shopping because we literally have nothing at our house to eat.
What chips?
But chips, literally. And my mom bought me some snacks.
You too, thank you.
She always brings me snacks. That's why I love her. She bought me some snacks, and then yeah. So I'm just tired. I'm trying to get my energy back. But yeah, going grocery shopping, and we're gonna cook tonight. Jalen wants doggone Alfredo tonight, so I'm gonna make that for him. I'm gonna eat some too, but I don't really necessarily want it, but anything for Jay.
Yep.
Anyway.
It's the least you could do.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna tear this kid's meal up. I eat small quantities, but I eat a whole bunch of times. Cause we had breakfast this morning with my mom, and then we didn't go. We ordered Waffle House to the house. Well, got Waffle House delivered. No, we did not get it delivered. We picked it up, and all I ate was a waffle. But now I'm hungry again. So I gotta look here, the smell. Give me a little sweet tea. But yeah, so we're gonna eat this. Well, I'm gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go to Walmart to the grocery store, and then that's gonna be it for us today. So I don't really know if I'm gonna combine this vlog or if I'm going to have it by itself. Yeah, I don't know yet, but yeah, we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we are leaving Walmart, y'all, and I'm so exhausted. Jalen had me up in here forever.
Put these in the front seat.
Oh my god. Y'all, look at all this freaking stuff. I don't even know what we got. Mostly Jalen stuff.
Whoa,
It is mostly your stuff. Ooh. For sure. Mostly your stuff. Ooh. Oh gosh, I'm trying to get in the car. The music. Okay. Oh shoot, Jalen's thing. Yeah. Jalen's thing popped off again.
It's on the floor?
No, it's right here. I gotta fix it though. You gotta fix that one. Here y'all. Jalen had me up in there forever. Tired. Walking slow. All around. But now we're ready to go get some ice cream. I've been craving ice cream, and we got this nice ice cream place where we live at, and it's so good. I think I'm gonna get the, what's that flavor I get?
Unicorn.
I know I can be so like a childish person sometimes, but not really. I like what I like, whatever. But it's like I like that type of ice cream. Like I don't really do much of like red velvet ice cream or like that type. Okay, that type of ice cream. So I think I'm gonna get that. It's called Unicorn Sprinkle, right? Something like that. I haven't been since the summertime. But I eat I eat ice cream year round, no matter what. I don't care if it's -3 degrees outside, I'm gonna eat it. I want it. I just really have a craving for ice cream. And usually, I'm not really a big.
And she gonna take about.
No.
She gonna take about 3 bites.
No, I'm gonna take this ice cream down.
Ain't got nothing cold. I might have to come get these groceries today. We ain't got nothing in there. They need to go in the refrigerator.
We do have cold. You have your stuff.
The salad. That's it.
Yeah, I need a nap after all this, but I'm getting this ice cream done. And I'm gonna get 2 scoops, and I'm gonna tear it down. Period. What you gonna get?
Probably that bullshit.
Of course. But yes, I'm gonna get this, and I hope it's good. It's gonna be good. Ooh, I'm gonna put a barbershop right there. But yeah, we need to come to this popcorn place and get these popcorns. We got this popcorn place near us too that has like all different flavored popcorns, and I want to like come try it. But then I know this black-owned business called Popcorn World that I've seen like online and stuff that's supposed to be really good. Oh, and they pretty much do the same thing too. So I don't know, but they're shipping time and stuff. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna go in here, and then yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we got the goods. So I got the ice cream, It's so good. I already started eating it. And then Jalen got this. What is this?
Basically like a brownie ice cream milkshake.
Yeah, he got
brownie batter ice cream milkshake.
He always gets milkshake. I really love that little ice cream shop that we have near us because it's just so cute and just it's like it was like one of those like people say like mom and pop things, but so it's like not like a franchise thing, so it's like so good. They always have like good stuff. They always like evolving. Let's check the mailbox. Evolving and changing. So like it's a good place. I want to do like restaurant reviews and like food reviews of like stuff that we have in the area locally and stuff. It's just a spot. We always take people here when they come visit us.
Yeah, it's really good.
So yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think. We didn't do much of anything. We didn't do much of anything. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on me creating the letters, I think. And walking y'all through the process of me doing the letters. So yeah, this is gonna be it. Short vlog, like always. Remember, I'm trying to get into like the vlogging and get my feet wet in the vlogging little arena. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Stay tuned, we have more vlogs coming. By the time y'all see this, the baby shower will be the next week, so that should be the next vlog, I think. Maybe one more between there, but I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next